Hello, I'm Milla Vanderberg. I'm happy to introduce how we bring the globally admired strengths of Finnish early childhood education to preschools around the globe. At Kindiedays, we translate these Finnish principles into a complete curriculum partnership for preschools worldwide. You get a full year learning program with 160 days of experiential theme-based activities, easy digital tools for planning, documenting, assessing and communicating. Kindiedays Academy, 10 live interactive workshops leading to a Kindiedays diploma in Finnish early childhood pedagogy, and ongoing support, quality reviews and marketing materials to strengthen your brand. For teachers, teaching becomes purposeful and rewarding. For children, learning becomes joyful, hands-on, and leads to deeper learning. For families, everyday learning moments and progress are easy to follow and celebrate. For management, quality becomes measurable, helping you build trust, reputation, and admissions. Our partners are already seeing the difference: stronger teacher competence, a boosted brand image, highly satisfied parents, and children who enjoy learning and learn more effectively. We are proud to partner with forward-thinking preschools across India and the world. Together, let's bring the magic of Finnish education to your classrooms and shape confident, curious learners for life.